I feel like you can't even see me and my camera's already so far away. Wait, can I like zoom out actually? That might help. Let's zoom in. Oh my gosh, I was wondering why that was looking so close up. It's because I have the zoom on. Leave it to me, guys. Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Glad to have you here. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a day. It's a question that I get asked a lot, and I just figured that I'd show you guys. A little bit of background, if you are new here, I have been going to the gym now religiously for like the last 4 months. I've been trying to gain weight in a healthy way, not by eating like a ton of junk food or anything. I've been eating a lot of protein in the last couple of months, but overall I've been eating pretty good. I don't eat perfect, like I still eat like Pop-Tarts and Vienna fingers and stuff most days, but anyways, I'll just show you guys like the stereotypical like what I eat in a day. I'll also show you guys like what I get from Trader Joe's because I love them. Like they are my new obsession right now. I can't tell you why, I just do. I love Trader Joe's and I'm not sponsored or anything. That is just my honest opinion. That's my opinion! And any recipes from this video, I will link down below links to my TikTok videos that do have the recipes, or at least like show you how to make them. Before we get into this video is brought to you by Dossier. If you guys don't already know what Dossier is, you clearly are new here. If you guys don't know what Dossier is a perfume fragrance company that recreates high-end scents for an affordable price, which I personally love. I really don't think you need to be spending $100, $200, $300 on a perfume. It's literally a liquid that just smells good, but they recreate these scents and they smell exactly like the real thing. So I don't know, some people have a thing with like collecting little cologne bottles and stuff so that it's like cute for aesthetic pictures. I couldn't care less, like I got enough aesthetic stuff. So they sent me over this cute little package. So I got to choose this fragrance. This one's a new one that I haven't tried before. This is Floral Marshmallow. It sounded really good to me. So every perfume comes with this cute little card as well as a little fragrance bottle. Obviously, like that's what the product is. So what comes on this card, it tells you the notes, what it's inspired by, the concentration, and how it works. And it comes in this cute little bottle. So simple. I have like 100 of these now. My favorite one of all time has to be the Baccarat Rouge 540 dupe. Oh, this one smells really good. This one smells like a marshmallow. But the Baccarat Rouge 540 one is my absolute favorite. It's called Ambery Saffron, and if you guys are looking for a dupe for that, it smells exactly like the real thing. So definitely check it out. I will have their link to their website linked down below, as well as the link to my absolute favorite one. They also have a Santal 33 dupe that's really amazing called Woody Sandalwood. That one's my second favorite. So nice. And you can also layer these perfumes too if you get more than one, so definitely check them out. They are a great company. I love working with them, and I hope this helps to save you guys some money. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it. This chair is so squeaky. I'm just gonna have to lean back really far for my head to be in the frame. It is Monday currently, and what I like to do on Mondays is I get really excited in the morning and I look at the weekly circular at my local Stop and Shop. I usually do my shopping between a couple of different stores throughout the week. It depends on what I'm getting or like what I'm in the mood for. So I do like my basic shopping at Stop and Shop, and then I eventually usually end up going to Trader Joe's or Whole Foods for some fruits. If I'm running low on ideas for things to make for dinner, I'll end up going to Trader Joe's at some point during the week. It's like right next to my gym, and so is the Whole Foods, so it works perfectly. I just, right after I go to the gym, I'll just stop at one of the stores. So pretty much like I just ate peach yogurt. I forgot to record it, sorry. And then I'm having my coffee. And in my coffee, I put like a little bit of this like non-dairy oat creamer, the brown sugar one from Trader Joe's. It's very good. And this is not actually Khalifa oat milk. I just bought Khalifa oat milk so I could have the container, but I made my own oat milk last week and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm not mad about it. But yeah, so pretty much I'm just looking at the circular at Stop and Shop this week. I'm not sponsored by Stop and Shop, but their app is really nice because like I could just tap on something and it circles it for me, so I know when I'm in the store like what I should be looking for. It'll make a list for me. I'm just picking out some things for me and my family, things that we usually get. When I go grocery shopping, I usually get for myself yogurt, oat milk, whatever protein is on sale. So that can range anywhere from chicken breast to chicken thighs, pork chops, sausage. All of the above are good options. Literally like 90% of what I buy at Stop and Shop I will buy on sale. I don't buy anything that's not on sale. I don't know if I want to order for pickup. I might just order for pickup. The only time I don't order for pickup at Stop and Shop is if I order like sliced ham from the deli, because if I click thinly sliced, they do not thinly slice it, they thickly slice it. Okay, it is currently like 2 o'clock. I usually eat lunch a little bit earlier than this, but you know, it's been a day. For lunch, I usually have rice. There's not much left. I have to cook some more tonight. I usually make about like, I think 2 cups of rice, which turns into like 4 cups when it's cooked or something. For lunch, I have the rice with my turkey bowl. So I make this at the beginning of like every week. I have leftovers from last week just because I made it later in the week, so it's only a couple days old. So this is what it looks like after it's microwaved. It looks exactly the same as before, but I like to mix it up. I don't use too much rice. I feel like a lot of people, like my dad in particular, will eat like 7 cups of rice per serving. That's ridiculous. Like he just scoops rice on rice. I mean, he really likes it, so you do you. I don't know, for me I just use like about 1/4 or 1/3 a cup, and then I put a ton of turkey bowl on top of it. And I don't know, I found this recipe on TikTok like back in January, and I made it and I modified it a little bit like to make it my own, and I really like it. And I literally make this stuff every single week without fail, and I eat it 90% of the time for my lunch. Yeah, it's really good. It's turkey, black beans, corn, zucchini. I put tikka masala in it. Tikka marsala, and diced tomatoes. And I season with adobo. It's really good. And it's really filling. Like this stuff will hold me over for like 6 hours. I'm not even joking. I'll still probably eat after like another 3 hours, but very good. It is currently 8 o'clock at night and I'm gonna make dinner. I usually eat earlier, but I was really busy today. So for dinner, it's kind of a mix of things. Usually I have chicken, like I'll show you what I have. I make chicken, either chicken thighs or chicken breasts, whichever one is on sale for the week. I prefer chicken thighs though, delicious. And I have them in a little container back here. You can't really see them so well, but I season them with adobo and herb de Provence, which is chef's kiss. Everyone always compliments it and they're like, this is like restaurant quality, and it's literally 2 ingredients. I usually have that with rice and some type of vegetable, usually roasted carrots. Those are really good, but if not, then asparagus or broccoli. But more often than not, I've been having a lot of carrots recently. I don't know, I'm just on a kick. But for tonight, I'm just gonna make a Trader Joe's meal because I'm feeling a little lazy and it's really late, so grab this, making this. And because there's already vegetables in it, I'm not going to be making like extra vegetables on the side, but I will be trying this for the first time. The sweet potato fries in our brand new air fryer. I'm so excited to use this. I'm not really good at using it yet, but we'll get there one day. But it's like, it's nice. I got the fries. For the air fryer, it says to heat it to 400 degrees and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. So we're gonna do that. Okay, the only spray I can find is coconut oil for some reason. Yeah, pop this in here like this, right? I think it goes in like that. And I detach this. You see the fries in it? It's good. Once I close it, there we go. Awesome. Do your thing, magic machine. Okay, so now we're gonna be making the chicken fried rice. Avocado oil for this. I got this from Costco. I like avocado oil. And Calavita extra virgin olive oil. Oh my gosh, that was way too much. Mom, do you want any of this? Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Go. Looking good. So that's about half the bag, I'd say. I'm actually gonna add some of my chicken to it because there's only like, get a little hot. Don't want to burn the rice. The chicken chunks in here are like bigger, so they're not cooking through as fast as the rest of the stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna throw some of my chicken in here too because there's only like 4 pieces of chicken, and that's not enough for me. This is what it looks like when it's done. This is what the fries look like when they're done. I just have to season them with salt. I like using pink Himalayan salt. That's pretty good. This is how much I'm eating. Now for the taste test. I haven't tried this yet. I did not cook the chicken all the way through, but tastes good though. After dinner, on to dessert. I like eating these peach halves from Trader Joe's also. I've been on a Trader Joe's kick for the last like 2 weeks. I just got these before. Oh, they look so satisfying. They look so smooth. These are so good. I probably eat like 2 halves, so 1 whole peach. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is @Faithayy, which is Faithayy. If you want to follow me on TikTok, it's Faith_AYYYY. If you want to follow me on Depop, that's Faithayy. And I will have all of those linked down below. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments, or if you have any questions. I love getting back to you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and that if you were wondering what I ate in a day, I hope this solved your curiosity, satiated it, if you will. But anyways, I'm gonna go. Got a blast. Anyways, love you. Bye.